All right, guys, what's going on? Welcome back. It's Friday, and we have some market updates now. It's been a long time since we have been staying in a very tight bearish range, but things have been shifting today, and we might see a bit of relief now, which is actually expected. So Solana up 7.5%, ETH plus 3.3%, and Bitcoin has recaptured almost 85,000, which is a really good sign. Now, again, what is the bullish scenario here? We really need to understand what would make the market shift into a bullish structure. So we really need to take off this high here. And then we probably will not obviously go right away, but we still have pullbacks. And that's why I'm telling all the time. There's no need to rush anywhere. Like we first need to see Bitcoin rise until at least 94, and then that's a bullish confirmation for us. And then we will still have pullbacks, and still the market is not going anywhere. So yeah, it's definitely a good bullish sign that we are seeing right now. The market is green, so as you can see, some liquidity is being poured into this, and I think it's gonna still take quite a while because we still need to see some major shift. Like one day is not enough, but it just gives us a few bullish signals, which is really amazing to see. And as you can see, some of the meme coins also up plus 20%, which is really good sign. Then you have SBIX on Ethereum that is shielded so much by the influencers, and that is actually on sale, I believe, even though you're still buying at a high market cap. So I am actually thinking to buy this meme for 5x return at least, because some delusional influencers are saying that this is going to go to 100 million, 100 billion plus. But this can only happen in a very, very strong bull market. But right now we're very far from having uh, like the initial momentum back that we saw. Like a lot of cryptos are pumping all the time, because technically it's not even realistic to have such returns long term. So we can have these pumps, like short-term pumps, but again, this is short-lived. So especially in the current market, now that today the news came out that Putin and Zelensky are going to probably look at least for a ceasefire for 30 days, but this can also end up with even stronger bullish move, that they can actually end this war at all. So that would be a really good sign. But yeah, Giga is another one that has been shilled so much, and crazy returns are being shilled in the public. But again, you can't really take these influencers by whole seriousness, because majority of the time they're just shilling their own bags, so that you act as a exit liquidity to them, right? And on a positive note as well, gold broke 3,000 um, level today. 3,005 was the absolute maximum that it reached, ever so slightly maybe. But yeah, like gold and BTC, they're very correlated. I've already spoken about the fact that gold and BTC have been following the same trajectory. So for BTC, we are somewhere around this level here. Wait, wait a sec. So on BTC, this was the current price action that we saw, and now we actually didn't follow precisely the trajectory, and we went to this area here. So if this is true, then we can have a major bull run still ahead of us. It's not over. Bitcoin still will be 100K back, 100% sure in that. And I think that this is the really the first sign that I've personally seen in the market that has at least some sort of, it's like a relief rally. Obviously, we don't know how the market closes today, but this is exactly the market that we want to see. The bullish, everything is green. There is liquidity inflows happening in this very moment, and it's very likely that it's actually led by indexes. So let's see what the indexes are doing. Index is also up. So this looks like a relief rally, but whether it's gonna be a um, dead cat's bounce, this remains to be seen. We really want to see a run up like this, multiple candles at least, and then we will see consolidation. So what happens now on S&P 500, because the stock market is also bearish, right? So if we see multiple green candles, then we can see some sort of descending price action here, and then we possibly can go to even all-time highs. And do not exclude this, but there was significant um, sort of also this is clear double top pattern, even though we had double tops on S&P 500 many times, but this is really clean. So there was little to no volatility at the top. It could be even triple top, and then off we go, bounce. So yeah, I mean it's looking like we can bounce a bit higher from here, but we really need to have multiple days of bullish confirmation to actually have a significant confidence in the current market. So currently, not really sure, but and again here again also on Dow Jones index, we also saw a perfect bearish double top pattern that now the neckline is also broken, and we are trading below the first initial support, which when I see this, then it's always a warning sign, because we just can form a longer continuation and still go down. So obviously a lot of uncertainties in the market, mainly led by the Trump's trade war. But I believe that the more the like the major fact again is that BTC follows the global money supply index. It has been historically the case, and it is now very likely the case. And with this in mind, this is actually the bottom of the global money supply. And with this in mind, I think we should see something around this price action. And once we break up, it will be really impulsive. But again, it's more likely that we're going to see some sort of consolidation range in this box until April. April is the time that I think the market will recover. And if you ask whether I'm bullish or not, I am still bullish. The bull market is still on. It's just recovery from the all-time highs, and there should be more of pleasurable times coming for us there. There's the misers. So let's keep the fingers crossed. Let's pray for more days like this where we see the whole market is green. We need some positive momentum to keep up the promise of the bull market that's still going on. And still, there is nothing changed. It's just delayed. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.